Hi everybody, welcome or welcome back. If you're new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. Also, there's a bell that's beside that subscribe button. And if you press that, it's called the notification bell. And all that's going to happen is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. It's a great idea because it also acts as a shortcut. In your inbox, you will see the picture of the video. You simply press on that and it brings you directly to the video. So it's a great little thing that YouTube does for us, and I want to make sure that you guys know what that bell is all about. So even if you are subscribed, I suggest you press that bell. This way you'll always be notified when I have a brand new video. All right, today what we're going to be going through is a Target beauty box. I'm not even sure if when I started this channel, if I was still even receiving this. The Target beauty box for me was something that I always looked forward to, and it used to always sell out because they were fantastic. They were a $7 box, and you couldn't subscribe to it. You had to kind of see what it was on it, and immediately as soon as it got launched you would have to purchase it because it would sell out that quickly. Then as time went on, the boxes started to get items in it that really weren't any interest to me. They used to be very heavily into makeup, and then the makeup part really stopped. So I trickled in a little bit more, and then I just said, you know what, I'm gonna wait until I see some better improvements on this. So like I said, because my channel's only a few months old, I'm really not sure if I ever did a Target beauty box on my channel. But this month there was an item in the box that I was interested in, so I said, you know what, I'm going to try to see what this box is all about again, and so on and so forth. So what I did was I placed an order, and it literally arrived a few days later. I was really surprised how quickly it shipped. It also shipped a little bit better than what I remembered. It used to be the box wrapped in plastic, but this time I got it in an actual Target box, and then inside was the beauty box. This month they had a couple. One was with laundry detergent and some items that I wouldn't have considered beauty, but it did come in a wrap that I had to open up, and it does come with the invoice there, and it's $7 and it includes shipping. So it's really a great deal, and the box that they put it on is always a keepsake box. It used to be a white box and it was nothing great, but this is beautiful. So if they're starting to do these gorgeous color boxes and it's $7, I am really impressed with just the box alone that we were able to get. So I want to open her up, and then we're going to go through with a couple of the items in here, and then I'm going to show you the one that made me want to purchase the item. So this came late yesterday, and actually one of the items that I was excited to use, I actually used this morning, so I'll give you some feedback on that as well. So in the boxes, they come with a card with the descriptions and everything on it, and then they usually, and they still do, they have a $3 off coupon that's going to expire, I think, in a month from now. Yeah, February 2nd. And it's on any beauty purchase of $15 or more on cosmetics, skincare, or hair care. And I think this is great. So what I used to use these for is the Pixie sprays that are $15. I used to always get my Pixie sprays when I used to get the Target box, because then I would get them for, instead of $15, they were $12. So that's what I used to use it for. But what I also like is that they've added some extra coupons in this one as well. So I'm going to go through that with you. And like I said, I always end up using that $3 coupon. So that makes the $7 box really only $4. So it's if there's some items in here that are of interest to you, I think the Target box is usually a win. But like I said, because I get so many boxes, I always liked when there was like a little lipstick or maybe a mascara to try. But they really haven't been putting a lot of the makeup in here. But they did put a shampoo that I've been wanting to try, and I think the aroma that is coming out of the one that they put in this box, and I'll go through that with you, could possibly be a dupe for the new, oh God, what is it called? Sol de Janeiro's, like the Bum Bum Cream or Boom Boom Cream, however you want to pronounce it. It has a similar scent to that. And that scent for me is such a win. So when they came out with that shampoo, I was going to go and I was going to get it. And I did watch a couple of girls do some reviews on it on Instagram. And it's on my wants list. And then when I opened this bottle up, I went, oh my God, this smells so similar. And the full size of it is really reasonable, but I'll go through all that. I always do this. I always get ahead of myself. I want to tell you guys so much. Okay, so the first item that we're going to go through is the one that I'm talking about. And it's from a brand called Hair Food. And I'm not familiar with this brand at all. The reviews are very strong on Target. They also sell a bigger version of this I saw this morning on Amazon. And so if you love it and you want the bigger versions, choose which size you want. I think on Target it is around $8, and the bigger size of the one that's in this scent was around $14, but they had some in other scents that were $11. But like I said, the sizes were different, so be very careful. Don't look at, you know, that's $8 here and $11 or $14 there. Look at the actual ounces that you're getting on it. But okay, so this one that we got in here is called Coconut Milk with Shea Spice, and it's a nourishing shampoo. They have a smoothing one. They had a whole bunch, but the one they put in the box was the one with coconut. I'm telling you, when I opened this up, and the coolest thing they did was on these bottles, they have these little stickers that they put to make sure that there's no leakage. This is a $7 box, and I'm telling you, it was in a box, wrapped in cellophane, and then this extra to make sure there's no spillage. The other boxes that we buy that are, you know, $50 don't do this, and they should. I was really so impressed. So I think my Target beauty boxes will start being hopefully a staple on this channel. So it is a nourishing shampoo. It's sulfate-free, dye-free, paraben-free, and mineral oil-free. And this was 3 ounces. And to me, these are fantastic to travel with. So even when I get these type of boxes, if I fall in love with a shampoo, and I was introduced to so many shampoos because of the Target beauty box, the bed hair, I got a fantastic one from Dove that I fell in love with. And what's great is that when I fall in love with it and I end up getting the full size, I'm able to then use these to travel with, because these are 3 ounces and they're perfect. So this is what they wrote on the card is exactly what it says. It's a sulfate-free coconut recipe, nourishes hair and adds volume, leaving your strands bouncy, luxurious, and smells delicious. I used it this morning, and the aroma that comes out of this and continues to stay in your hair, it is so close to me, not as strong as the Boom Boom Cream, but that similar scent that gets me. And I am so excited, and I'm so excited that it's not expensive enough for me to get it maybe in the smoothing one as well as getting it in this nourishing one. So really, really excited that I can juice this. And they give you the conditioner as well. So I got 6 ounces here of a fantastic new product that I got introduced to that is affordable, that I'm going to be able to use that coupon against to get the full size. So really, really excited. And like I said, the aroma of that is to die for me anyways. It's a scent that I absolutely love. So the conditioner one says it is a rich blend of coconut milk and the same spice. It lavishes hair with moisture so the strands look luxurious and full of life. So really, really impressed with that. And that to me was why I got the box, and it was exactly what I thought it was going to be. Very, very happy. The next item in here is from Crest. It is a 3D white in Radiant Mint. I use this. It's one of the toothpastes that I use and I have in the full size. So to have a smaller version of it, I think is great for travel. And what they've written on here about the 3D fluoride toothpaste, it removes about 80% of surface stains. It strengthens your tooth enamel and helps protect against cavities so you can say hello to a brighter smile. And then they say that the trick is for fresher breath, be sure to brush your tongue too. So that's the next item that's in here. The next item that is on the card that's in here is a brand that I've heard about, and I've never tried one of their products. And this is a beauty brand. It's called Q Bella, and that's what it looks like here. And what's really exciting about this, it's two completely different masks. So you're really getting two other products. So they have one that they're calling watermelon peel off mask, and the other one is an avocado clay mask. So two completely different masks. And let's see what they wrote up on this. It says it's a limited edition watermelon peel off mask and cooling avocado clay mask. It's a refreshing watermelon, will add a boost of hydration so your complexion will look brighter and blemish free, while the avocado oil plus conditioning shea and coconut butter will leave your skin soft and moisturized. It said put the masks in the fridge before you apply for an extra cooling treat. So really excited about that. So we got two masks in here as well. The next item that's in here is a small little sample here, and it looks like this. And it says it is called the Creme of Nature, and it has argan oil from Morocco, and it says it's a perfect edges, perfect hold, exotic shine, and non-flaking. So let's see what this is about. So it says it's infused with argan oil, controls and holds down your edges while moisturizing and adding exotic shine, creating a sleek, smooth style. So this will be great to when I want to wear my hair up in a ponytail, that, you know, those couple of breakaways, I will definitely try this to tame them down. So that's really a cute little sample size of it. So that's what that item is here. The next item is from number 7. And I love getting sample sizes of number 7. The only thing is they're usually very small because number 7 is a line I think that came over from Europe into the States, and I think it's sold not only now at Target, but Target was the first ones to introduce me to number 7, but it is also available at Walgreens and always during Christmas time, and I'm sure other times during the year, but it's always at Christmas time I end up getting these humongous kits at 50% off. I like their foundation, I like their primers, I love their serums. So I'm always impressed to get something in here because usually it's introducing me to something that I haven't used from this brand. And this one is their Booster Serum. And it's only 3 mils in here. And what it says, it's clinically proven booster serum is specifically designed to target areas of the face most prone to have the loss of firmness. They're saying in just 1 week, your skin will look toned and tighter. I don't know if I'd be able to get a week's worth out of this, but I will definitely try my best to see what it's about. But they're saying for best results, you should apply this morning and every night. So we'll definitely give that a try. The next item in here is from Olay. And there's 2 items in here that are from Olay, and I'm going to read them both to you, but this is what we got. And one of them is, they both say that they have $3 coupons inside. So now I have more value in coupons than I do for what I paid for the box. So we have $9 worth of coupons. So if you end up, you know, purchasing, it's an absolute win-win. So to me, this box was an absolute win, and I'm sure it's still available. I'm sure, I really don't know, but it was available when I started filming this. So I'm hoping that you guys are going to be able to, if this is of any interest to you, be able to get it for yourself. So, and these ship for free. So I don't know if they ship for free because I have a Target card that I use as a credit card at Target, or if it's for everybody, but I know that I didn't pay shipping on that. So the first item that is from Olay, it's called Olay Regenerous. It's a whipped facial moisturizer. They're saying it's an innovative active rush technology featuring unique 3-dimensional structure that will improve your elasticity and diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles so your skin will look firmer and lifted. So I haven't had the opportunity to try any of the Olay products from the drugstore because we get so many other products that I'm testing, but I definitely know that Olay is a brand that is highly recognized in the drugstore, and I definitely want to try it. But the one that intrigued me, the fact that it's whipped and is lightweight, I think I'm definitely going to try that under my makeup. But the one that really intrigued me was this one, and I think this is being introduced, and I think that's why this was in the box. It's called Retinol 24, and it's a night moisturizer. And I don't know if I've ever seen, besides number 7, another brand that had retinol in the drugstore available to us. So I'm really, really excited about this. So they're saying it is a proprietary blend of vitamin B3 and retinol. It will visibly improve fine lines and wrinkles overnight, so you'll wake up to a smoother, brighter looking skin. They're saying if you use it for 28 days, you will then see your skin transform. So I will definitely try this out. I don't know how large these samples are in here, and I don't know, they never put retail values on this. The box is a really box that has a little shelf in it, so it holds this little sample inside of here, so it is a very, very tiny sample. But I want to open her up so we can see what the, yeah, it's completely full. So hopefully we'll be able to give it a try, and it feels like a thick cream. So this is truly going to be a fantastic night cream. And the fact that it is a retinol, I'm really, really excited to try that. So this box to me was an absolute winner. So just on the beauty of the box alone, I think blew me away. And then inside here, they have those coupons that I told you guys about. So that's what that is. So really, really excited. So if I use this and I enjoy it, I'm hopefully going to be able to take advantage of that coupon. Let me just see if there's an expiration date. Yeah, the expiration date is 06/30/21. So I mean, it definitely gives you enough time to play, wait for it to go on sale, see if there's some deals, because that's what I think I'm going to do. I'm going to play with it, and then I'm going to wait to see when there's a sale going on, like a buy one, get one at 50% off type of sale on Olay, and then I'll use that plus a $3 coupon, and to me, it's an absolute win. So this, I think, was a phenomenal box for $7. They are definitely starting, like I said, the month off right. It comes, like I said, beautifully, beautifully packaged in a beautiful keepsake box. So we have that. Then we have the 2 Oil of Olays, the whipped and the one with retinol, with both $3 coupons. We got the Crest travel size toothpaste. We got to try this new serum from number 7, this booster serum. We got 2 face masks and a new win for me, because I have travel sizes now for a shampoo that I'm going to be buying the full size. So really, really excited about that. And like I said, the aroma alone got me. So if you're near a Target and these are there, to me, there was no seal on these. So you could definitely see if the aroma hits you the way it did me. But like I said, it's more subtle than the Boom Boom Bum Bum cream. But it's that same, the same sort of scent, just tamer, if that makes any sense. So that's what I wanted to do with you guys today. I wanted to share this Target beauty box because I am excited for $7 that we're able to try some new products that are being introduced to the drugstore, and new products to me that I'm really, really excited to try. And I'm happy there's a little bit of makeup, a little bit of hair care, a little bit of skincare, and then the Crest toothpaste is always a win because you can't go wrong with that. And then a little bit, some more skincare. So if they added a lipstick to this, it would have been a home run, but I think they did pretty good. So once again, thank you guys for joining me. I love doing these unboxings and being able to find such great finds and such great deals. So please, if this is of any interest to you, I hope you will go on Target.com. There was a second box, but like I said, it had laundry detergent and some things that really weren't of interest to me, but maybe they are to you. So definitely check the website out and see if that other box is of interest to you, because that box was also only $7. So, and like I said, I'm not sure, but I didn't pay freight, and it literally came here in a few days. So it was an absolute win. So once again, thanks for finding me. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye.